Hi everyone, Fiona here. Just thought I'd come on and let you all know a little bit about the background of my brand new single, My Wexford Home. It's something I've always wanted for quite a number of years and only got around to doing it now, but I'm absolutely delighted with the outcome. How it came about was I was offered songs before, but I just wanted one that resonated more about my personal life and my home of Wexford. So I was playing a gig, or we were playing a gig in Bundoran a year ago, and at the end of the gig this gentleman came up to the front to talk to us, and straight away I knew him, and I said it was Mr. Noel Furlong, and he's from Wexford, and I knew him over the years, not very well, but I did know him. And I said to him, Noel, were you at the gig all night? I'd never even seen you. So we had a good laugh and we got chatting, and he was saying he's still singing and still doing some songwriting for himself. And I said, do you have any Wexford songs? And he said, you know, I have. He said, I'll send you on something. And fair play to him, within a short time he did send me a song, and I did like it, but it just didn't lend itself to me. But I was going to record it, and he rang me and he said, forget about that song. He said, I've actually written you your own song. So I was absolutely delighted. I couldn't believe it, and I had a listen, and I remember exactly where I was. I was up in Fermanagh and I was sitting in McDonald's car park, and I quickly listened to the song, and straight away it brought a tear to my eye as one of the verses mentioned loved ones that's passed on. And I really loved the song, and I said to Thomas, do you like it? And he said, I love it. So straight away we got working on it, and as I said, Noel is a Wexford man and we were absolutely delighted. It's an upbeat tempo, and I'm sure you will all enjoy having a dance to it. And yeah, that's basically it. And we're down in Wexford at the minute to do a gig in the Wexford area, and we just thought we'd shoot a video for the song. And so basically that's the information, the background of the song. It's all about my family life and coming back home to visit, and we're all proud of where we're from, and I'm proud to be a Wexford woman. And also not forgetting, the song mentions County Fermanagh, Thomas's home county, and where we currently live. I got my first radio play recently on South East Radio with Tony Keogh. And thank you to all the DJs out there that are playing our music, Thomas McGuire and Fhiona Ennis. We really appreciate it. So we'd like to hear some feedback. We hope you like the song, and until we see you in the near future, take care.
I said goodbye.